Hi guys, we're coming to you with an honest review for a bike that rides good and trails harder. You can check out Ancheer's website in the description below so we can go through their website together, or you can, as always, finish listening to the video and then checking out their website. Either way, I'm just letting you know that the website link is in the description below. So today we're going to be checking out the electric mountain bikes from Ancheer. The Ancheer e-bike absolutely looks stunning. It features an ultra-strong wheel set, which is 26-inch of magnesium alloy, which is integrated wheels with anti-slip resistant thick tires. It's suited for rainy, snowy, or even really bad roadways. It uses a 6-spoke mag wheels, which just looks really good. It also has an industry aluminum alloy frame, so the e-bike itself adopts ultra lightweight yet super strong aluminum. It also has anti-rust and anti-exposure painting materials used on it. The bike is foldable too, so it's going to save you a lot of space for your daily use. So the brake-in motor system on the Ancheer bike has a mechanical front and rear disc brake design, and it uses a 21-speed Shimano professional transmission system. It's perfect for climbing anything, whether it's light slopes or it's hard terrain. So it carries a large capacity lithium battery, which is 36 volts or 8 amperes of the battery, and it supports up to 25 kilometers or 15.5 miles on e-bike mode, and about 50 kilometers to 31 miles on assisted mode. It's equipped with the smart lithium battery charger, so it has a super fast charging rate of 4 to 6 hours. The only thing that makes this e-bike look like an e-bike is the battery pack on the front, while the rest of the bike just looks like a really good quality bike. It has 2 working modes, the e-bike mode and the assisted bicycle mode. With the e-bike mode, you don't need to ride, it basically runs on itself. With the assisted mode, you can basically do some light exercises if you want to. It's super easy to change the modes by just pressing the key according to what you need. It even comes with a 1-year warranty for the entire bike. Vulnerable parts like the tires, brake discs, chains, pedals, the horns, lights, and other parts, except for the frame, are basically good for it, and you don't have to worry about wearing it out or using it on its own. The bicycle arrives 85% assembled, so it's super easy to finish the assembly yourself. It's really great on the roads with all levels of assist, and can even cope with mountain bike trails along the coast with ease. The assembly is super easy and everything was included. The shifters and gears were perfectly aligned out of the box, and I'm still quite surprised to see quality components like Shimano gears and shifters. I have them on my road bikes and I know how expensive they can be. So for an electric bike, this Ancheer one is actually a really good deal. I honestly can't believe how good this is for the money. It's fairly easy to assemble, but the instructions could honestly be a little better. I'm thoroughly enjoying the bike though, and how good it is going up hills effortlessly. The bike is built to a budget, but is more than capable and does all that it promises. Thank you guys so much for watching. Don't forget to check out Ancheer's website down in the description below. Comment down below if you've been looking for something like this, and we hope that we helped. And we'll see you in the next video. Bye!